This video is for you if you're just getting started in meditation. Hi, I'm Keith Mintz. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a certified metaphysician, life coach, cognitive behavioral therapist, and relationship coach. First thing to know is that the best time to meditate is actually when you don't want to. It builds the most willpower and it builds the most mental strength, especially when your mind feels too noisy to sit in silence. That's exactly when meditation builds the most strength, not calm, but willpower. When you could sit with a racing mind, you prove to yourself that you could do anything in any state. And the truth is that the best time to practice anything is when you don't feel like it. That's when you strengthen your will, push through, and prove to yourself that you could do anything you set your mind to, and show yourself that you could rise above your feelings. Feelings are a guide in the physical world, but they're not commands you have to obey. They guide you. They tell you where to go in life. They give you a direction. They tell you what's right and what's wrong, what things inside you need to work on emotionally and mentally in your life. Emotions give you caution. They tell you, be careful, there's something here that you need to work on. If something's not perfectly aligned and in peace. If you are perfect and enlightened, you would feel a bliss and a peace aligned with the divine as one eternally. But when you feel emotions, it's you being a human being, and those emotions are telling you that there's something to work on, there's something to improve to become more aligned with the divine. So they're guiding you. Those emotions are guiding you. They're telling you what to work on. Just because you're angry doesn't mean you should be angry. You can feel angry. That's okay. Again, feelings are telling you what's wrong, but that doesn't mean you need to react with it. Process it, understand it, and act upon it. And that's when meditation becomes your training ground. When you're angry or feel any emotions, use the strength of your will to override it, to understand it. Use your will to stop engaging in those thoughts. Shift your focus towards peace, towards solution, even if it feels impossible. Every time you do that, you're building mental muscle. You're teaching your mind that you are in control, that you choose where it goes, not your emotions. And so to begin meditation, the very first step that I want you to do is to sit silently and to close your eyes and just allow your thoughts to come, your emotions to come, and everything to just go through you, and to acknowledge that it's there and to let it go. Don't engage in it. The whole practice of this is to just let those thoughts go and to take control of what you're willing to engage in and what you're not. This gives you control over your thoughts and emotions. So the first step is just close your eyes, breathe, let those thoughts go. Practice not engaging in any of those thoughts, just like a ripple in a river. Let it flow, let it go. The more you do that, the more you'll be in control. I hope this helps. I'll have more videos coming out on going deeper into meditation, talking more about relationships, metaphysics, communications, and self-awareness practices.